which brings us our beautiful new season collections. So for the new season collections, I really wanted to focus on the trends for spring summer 20. I know that's what you guys have been asking for, so I wanted to show you through my key trends for this season. My number one trend has to be the military trend for this season. I personally love it. I think it's so wearable. So the outfit I've styled here is a little bit more pared back, but still has those military touches to it. So I have the Harris Wolf trench. I absolutely love this. It's a little bit more oversized. Just to let you know, we've bought this kind of a size down, so it starts from an extra small, which is what I'm wearing, but that would be the equivalent to an extra small or a small really. So always size down in this style. I then have it with the beautiful little top from Bash, which is great. It's got that kind of embroidery detail, which just adds that little bit of interest to the outfit. And then I have the PAVES trouser on from JBRAND. These are a must-have this season. So a little bit more pared back, but really easy. So they've got that side pocket detail. You can really smarten these up as well. So you could do them for kind of a work trouser, or you could have them really dressed down like I have here. Super soft sateen, and very gorgeous with the turn up as well. These are going to be those ones that you just want to put on every time because they're so comfortable. So we've got those in a couple of colours. Your other pant that you really need this season is the Arkin from JBRAND. So again, that real kind of cargo trend coming through with the zip detailing here. These come in a few colours. So we've got the driftwood here, which I'm loving. We also have black, and then we have like a greeny sort of tealy colour as well, which is great. And then just look at these beauties. I love them. They are so cool. So this is again from JBRAND. It's got the button detail and the D-ring as well, which is great. So a little bit higher on the rise and makes you feel like more like you're wearing a trouser, which is great. I would wear these obviously with a trainer, but then I think they look great dressed up as well. Wear them with a cortu and a really lovely black top, and they're going to look fabulous and just really different and quite fashion. They've got the detailing on the back as well with the pockets, which really kind of lifts your bottom. These come in this gorgeous VALE terrestrial, and they also come in black as well, but I'm definitely going here, I think. And then a couple of new arrivals from PAIGE. Loving the CHRISTY pants. So again, that real kind of military element to this. It's got the drawstring here just for a little bit of detail. It's also got the elasticated waist at the back, which is going to be super comfy but also really cool on. So they're nice. They're a really kind of soft sateen twill. And then we have our perennial favourite, the MAVSLIE jogger. So these are fab again, come in a couple of colours. We've added these to our core line now, so they should never be out of stock, but a really good one for spring summer. Obviously all of these pieces are great styled back with all of your knitwear and your t-shirts, but then really nice just kind of dressing them up a little bit with a great little blouse from PYRUS. I've pulled this one out to kind of like go in with the military safari trend really. So that, my top picks for the military trend, but not forgetting this gorgeous bag from LEOPARD as well. So with these bags, we do also do the extra straps, which you can buy separately, so you can kind of personalise your bag as well. So that one comes obviously with the suede, but then you can put the military with it as well, which is super cool, and you can wear that as a crossbody or kind of over your shoulder. So another key trend for the season are pastel tones. So super soft, but really wearable and easy for all skin types. So I am loving this dress from DRIFTWOOD. This is the Kier dress. It's a shirt dress, but it's got that really lovely kind of hemline to it, where it's just comes in a little bit lower at the back. I've styled that a little bit more Scandi, a bit more sporty, with the chunky trainer from Ash. These are great on. Don't be frightened if you think they look a little bit chunky. I absolutely love them. I think they're so wearable. They're that kind of real crisp white as well, which is lovely. And then they've got just this understated little silver bit at the back, which is fab. And then I would also style that with the gorgeous bucket bag from LEOPARD. I'm loving this. I really like it with the strap that it comes with here. But obviously you could put that back with one of those camo straps or a different one that we have online as well. So I'm loving that together. I would dress that with just beautiful little leather jacket. This one from MDK is fab. I love all the sporty detailing on here, but it is super soft, that real kind of buttery soft leather, which is fantastic. And then for a real cool girl Scandi look, You could do it with the chunky pink knit, which I think would be great and a little bit easier for now because you're going to chunk up a little bit while it's still chilly. And then a couple of other pieces that are coming into those kind of soft tones. You've got the Rigid Ruby from JBRAND. So this one is in the Amaya wash. Loving that because it's kind of that real crisp cream, but it just feels a little bit more rigid than like a softer denim, which is great. So it kind of really holds you in. And that's going to look great back with all of your kind of pastel tones. I really like it styled here with this little blouse from Baum, which is great. But we've got lots of other options that could kind of work with that. But it's going to be a great little spring jean for you, that one. And then again, coming back to the Arkin jogger in the Dakota wash. I'm loving this. I think great with all of your kind of like pinks and lavenders and everything for this season. But for now, great just with a black knit and black trainers as well. So a few of my key pieces from the pastel tones. So one of the key colours for this season has to be green, so it is coming in lots of different hues this season. I'm loving the brights, so we've got some beautiful pieces here. This one from Sinagoya is absolutely stunning, so it's that real kind of acid wash, but this is coming through quite a lot in the autumn winter 20 collections that I'm seeing as well, so it's a real key trend on the catwalks at the moment. Absolutely loving that as like your occasion wear dress. Just quite different in that acid colour, I think. And then some beautiful pieces from DRIFTWOOD. This skirt is just so beautiful. It's just like molten lava. It just feels beautiful on. You can kind of wear that back with the SATEEN blouse, which looks super, super elegant and very kind of ladylike. Or you could really kind of dress that more Scandi style with an oversized sweatshirt or knit, a t-shirt and trainers, which would be fabulous as well. And then from Fabian Chapeau, we have this beautiful print, always very playful Fabian Chapeau. I just love their prints because they kind of bring a smile to your face. This one, a great shape. Again, it's kind of a midi dress, so really nice with like ankle boots or trainers and just a black leather jacket. That one's got a slightly heavier weight to it, so really easy for now. One of my personal favourites of the season has to be this beautiful paisley print from DRIFTWOOD. It's got some beautiful colours in there. These pops of pink are just stunning. Absolutely love that one, and I would really style that with the oversized blazer from Day. This is the gabardine long blazer. I've got this. I absolutely love it. Super Scandi, super cool. And then the one that I am wearing is from Custom Made. Again, another Scandi brand that I really, really love. It's got kind of a little bit of that 80s shoulder detailing to it. I've styled it with one of the Anderson's belts, which again is super cool. You can kind of play around with this one a little bit. I love the buckle detailing as well. So you've got some really beautiful pieces there. And then just to kind of bring it all together, you have that fabulous necklace from Essential, which if you really want to dress something up, that is going to look stunning. And then I've just got a little ash boot just to kind of tie that all back and just give it that real kind of like grounding with the black. So definitely a key colour for the season, one that's going to really lift your skin tone as well.